Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will create a YouTube logo something like this. Every material was available in the link given in the description, so you can download those material from the description. Downloaded zip file is password protected and password is divided into 3 parts which will be visible on video in 3 parts, so please carefully watch the video to get password. So, without any delay, let's get into video. This logo is created in Pixel Lab, which is free on Play Store or App Store. First you have to open Pixel Lab application in your mobile. Click on upper right 3 dots and select image size and YouTube thumbnail size so we get enough space to edit our logo. Click on the plus icon and select shape. From shape option select circle, make it black color and place it like shown in the video. Again, click on the plus icon and select another shape. From shape option select circle, make it white color and place it like shown in the video. After placing the shape, to click on the layer icon, click 2 circles together and merge it. After merging the 2 layers, click on the erase option and turn it on. Now click on the plus icon and select shape. From shape and make it black color. Select mask option from the menu below. And make shape using dots like this. It one side will look like plant leaves. Select enable option and click on the out options and click right. Zoom the part so we can cut leaves. Click on the plus icon and select shape. From shape and place near the leaf like shown in the video. After placing the shape, to click on the layer icon and merge the leaf and the square's white shape together. After merging the 2 layers, click on the erase option and turn it on. Now place the leaf shown in the video. Copy the upper safe and place between the black leaf as shown in the video. After placing the shape, to click on the layer icon, click 2 circles together and merge it. After merging the 2 layers, click on the erase option and turn it on. Now you will see that the shape is look like a plant leaf. Now just copy and place multiple times so it looks like a plant as in the video. Click on the plus icon and select text option. And write your brand name just like written in a video. Your brand name can be different as soon in the video. Go to the font option and select meme font. Please in the video as soon. For now color it black. Now again click on the plus icon and select text option and write the slogan of your brand and click OK. Click on the font option and select font shown in the video and place bottom side of your brand name. Select black color in the slogan text so our entire logo can be black color.
Hey, what's up fellow gamers? Today there is a surprise for you. Today we have a special treat for you because we're hosting not 1 but 2 Discord Nitro giveaways. That's right, 2 lucky winners will get their hands on this incredible prize. But before we dive into the details of the giveaway, we need your help to reach a milestone. We're aiming for 20,000 views on this video. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends who love Discord. Now let's talk about Discord Nitro. For those of you who aren't familiar, Discord Nitro is a premium subscription service that unlocks a ton of amazing features on Discord. You get cool perks like custom emojis, enhanced audio quality, and the ability to stream in high definition. It's the ultimate upgrade for any Discord user. Alright, let's get to the exciting part. How can you win these awesome giveaways? Once we hit 20,000 views on this video, we'll randomly select 2 lucky winners from the comments section below. All you have to do is comment down below with your favorite Discord moment or feature and why it means so much to you. Entering this amazing giveaway is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting giveaways and content. Number 2. Leave a comment below telling us why you love Discord Nitro and why you deserve to win. Be creative and stand out. Number 3. Share this video with your friends who are passionate about Discord so they too can have a chance to win. Make sure to leave your comment before the deadline, which is mentioned in the community post. We'll announce the winners in our upcoming video and contact them personally to deliver their well-deserved prizes. We'll be selecting a few random commenters throughout the duration of this giveaway to receive some exclusive Discord Nitro perks. So keep those comments coming and let us know what you love most about Discord.
Click on the plus icon and select shape from the option and build a shape something like shown in the video and color it black and place it near the slogan. Click on the plus icon and select shape from shape option, select circle, make it black color and place it like shown in the video. Again, click on the plus icon and select another shape from shape option, select circle, make it white color and place it like shown in the video. After placing the shape, to click on the layer icon, click two circles together and merge it. After merging the two layers, click on the erase option and turn it on. Place the shape according to the video. Click on the layer icon, click and select curve shape, rectangular shape and slogan and merge it. And again select leaves shape and the brand name and merge it together. Now we have to say now we will texture them separately. Select first shape and go to texture option and select green picture given in the material file. After texturing, click emboss and enabled it. Now adjust light angle, intensity, ambient light, specular hardness and bevel as shown in the video or as per your choice. Now select second shape and go to texture option and select orange picture given in the material file. After texturing, click emboss and enabled it. Now adjust light angle, intensity, ambient light, specular hardness and bevel as shown in the video or as per your choice. Click on the layer icon, select both shapes and merge them. Click on the plus icon and select gallery option and select background given in the description. Click on the shadow option and enabled. Blur radius to 20 and offset X to 2. Our logo is ready for export. After size, click on the shape button, look like floppy disk and click on save image. After clicking on save image, to image type to PNG and export ultra format for better resolution. Hope you will like the video and share with other, and please comment down if you have some confusion or any suggestion.